sit on Moses' seat. So practice and observe whatever they tell you, but not what they do, for they preach, but they do not practice. They tie up heavy burdens, hard to bear, and lay them on people's shoulders, but they themselves are not willing to move them with their finger. They do all their deeds to be seen by others. For they make their phylacteries broad and their fringes long, and they love the place of honor at feasts and the best seats in the synagogues, and greetings in the marketplaces and being called rabbi by others. Jesus goes on to say in verse 9, in direct contradiction and rebuke of the practice that Catholics have of calling the Pope their Holy Father, Jesus said in verse 9, and call no man your father on earth, for you have one Father who is in heaven.